I'm already signed in with the Google account that I want to use. We're going to do get started on the basic plan. That's all we need. Accept. And for me, I'm going to search Sarasota. And we can pick whatever phone number we want from this list. And now we're going to have to punch in an existing phone number that's not already linked to Google. And now we have it set up. So we have this voicemail here that tells you how it works. But what we're going to do with it is we want to set up voicemails, which it already has voicemail set up. You don't have to set it up. You don't have to put a PIN number. You just have to open the app to look at your voicemails. Come to the tab over here. Go to settings. So we're going to turn off call screening. We're going to go to the voicemail greeting and we're going to record a new one. I'm not going to do it while I'm on here because I'm using this to record my voice right now, but we would tap and do that to record whatever we want it to say. And I believe you can set up multiple greetings. Now that we've set up our voicemail greeting, right, let's pretend we have. We're going to X out of settings, go back to the menu, and we are going to turn on Do Not Disturb. Calls will be sent straight to voicemail while this is on. This is the setting we want right now because we're not actually using it for communication. We're using it to collect voicemails. And now I will go ahead and call it. And here it is. And now I'm leaving a test voice message. You can have as many voicemails as you want. You do have to log in every so often and either send a text, make a call, or otherwise do something in the app in order to keep your phone number active. As long as you have Wi-Fi, you can log into this and use it as a phone.